Ready to finally build those habits that stick? Let's dive into creating a powerful habit tracker in Notion. First, create a new page in Notion and name it Habit Tracker. We're going to build a robust system here, all from scratch. Click the To Add a Block and select Database Inline. This will be the heart of our tracking system. Let's set up our properties first. Create a name property. This is where you'll list your habits next. Add a checkbox property and call it completed. This is for marking if you did it today. Now add a date property to log when you perform the habit, and a select property called frequency to categorize how often it should be done, daily, weekly, etc. This is where the magic happens. We'll create a status property using a formula. This formula will automatically tell us if a habit is on track for completion based on its frequency and whether it's checked off. The formula will check if the completed checkbox is ticked and compare it against the date and frequency properties to determine if the habit is on schedule. We'll cover the exact formula in the description below, but think of it as a smart indicator. To make adding new habits even easier, let's add a template button. Click that and select template button. Here, we'll configure it to add a new row to our habit tracker database. You can pre-fill some properties like frequency for consistent habit entry. Within the template button's configuration, you can define default values for new habits. Say, if your new habit is drink water, you can preset its frequency to daily. Now you have a fully functional habit tracker. Populate it with your goals, check them off daily, and let Notion provide you with clear insights into your progress for effective self-improvement.